Alright, this is my airsoft review of just a custom airsoft gun of mine. I just painted it. Looks pretty cool. It's like a desert urban camo. It's pretty good actually. And if this video does good, then I'll put on a tutorial of how I painted it. But if it only gets like 100 views, I'm just gonna leave it. So yeah, let me show you the other side. It's pretty cool. It works really well with the camouflage. Like better than I thought. And I'll show you the gun with the clip in. What the hell? Right there. I just dusted the clip. I didn't do anything fancy with it, so yeah. The other side. And the fucking clip came out. So yeah. It's pretty cool camouflage. And then yeah. I'm gonna show you another custom gun of mine. Just custom M14 digital camo, bolt action, or not bolt action. It's runs off a battery, and silencer / barrel extension. This thing's accurate. Let me see what the clip is. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's great. Both good guns. Have a couple more. If the video does good, I'll show you those other guns. And I just gotta say one random thing. I hate when kids make a video. They're like little kids. And they shake the camera like that. It's like, stop shaking the camera. And that's all I gotta say. Peace.